In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give cPanel access to a developer on Hostinger in just a few simple steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to securely share necessary parts of your hosting account with your developer without sharing your personal credentials. It's a handy feature that maintains both convenience and security. Let's start by heading over to the Hostinger website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to look towards the upper right corner of your screen, where you'll see an icon labeled Account. Give that a click. Now, from the drop-down menu, select the option that says Account Sharing. This is the section where you'll manage who has access to your account. Next up, you'll need to click on the button that says Grant Access. This is an important step as it opens up the interface that allows you to provide another person with access to your account. Here, you'll see a field for typing in the email address of the person you're granting access to. Make sure you've got their email handy to proceed. It's important to enter the correct email address, as this detail is crucial for them to receive access properly. Now, you'll see an option to click the admin button. This setting is essential because it determines the level of access you're giving the other user. Admin access generally provides them with comprehensive capabilities to manage the hosting settings, so ensure you trust the person you're granting this level of access to. You'll also notice an option to allow the user to manage their services. Selecting this will give your developer the necessary permissions to handle the services related to your cPanel, which is typically what they need to do their job efficiently. If there are any particular services you don't want them to manage, you should double check what each option entails before granting access. Finally, confirm your selections by clicking on the Grant Access button. This final step puts everything in motion. Your developer will now receive an invitation to access your account under the parameters you've set. It's a straightforward process that lets you maintain control over your information while providing the developer the tools they need. By following these steps, you've ensured that your developer has the access they need without compromising your account security. That's it for today's quick tutorial. Remember to periodically review who has access to your account and adjust permissions as necessary to keep everything secure. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.